Hello, friends. Today is a special day. We're going to visit new friends. and our enthusiastic and imaginative blue heeled Puppy Bluey, goes on adventures with her younger sister Bingo, which unfolds in hilarious ways. Let's go put the puzzle together. I think so. We need level magic. Okay, friends. Let's go. Number 1, we need 4 corners. Corners number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Corners number 1. I see corners. But I don't know where it plays for these corners. Maybe this? No, it is not right. Okay. Variance number 2. No? Okay. Number 3. Yes! It is right. Look, it is right. Cool. I like it. Corners number 2. Where is corners? I see corners. Hey! But I don't know where is place for these corners. This, or this. Okay, maybe this. Not. It is not right. This. No, Bingo. I need your help. Yes, it is right. It is corners number 2. Cool, I like it. I see corners well. This? Or this? I think so this. Not. So, friends, it is not right. This. Yes. Now it's right. Cool. And corners number 4. Where is corners? Where is corners? This is corners. Not. It is not corners. This? Almost broke. Friends, it's not right. Please, I need your help. Oh, yes! It is corners. And I think so. This place for me. Oh, yeah! Right. Okay. Now we have a 4 corners, friends. We did it. And now we need all peach puzzles with one sideline. All peach puzzles. And I see 1 peach puzzles with line. Then I don't know where is place for these peach puzzles. I see line this, and I don't know these peach puzzles or this. And this? No. Or this? Yes. Now it's right. Okay. Corners number corners. Peach puzzles line this. Where is peach puzzles with line this? Not. Yeah, I see. Oh yeah, I think so. It is right. Yes, it is right. We did it in one side. Okay, we need peach puzzle this. Oh, look for this line and this line. I don't think so. These peach puzzles for these plates. Yes! Wow, it's cool. Amazing. Okay, now I need peach puzzle this with one sideline this. Maybe this? No, it's not like this. Okay, this. I don't know where is place. Where is Which puzzle is like this? It's not, it's not right. Friends, now I see, and I think so. It is right. Yes. So beautiful. And we need only 2 peach puzzles with line 1 and 2. And I think so. This peach puzzle is this. No, I'm wrong. This. Ta-da-dam. And this peach puzzle, this. Woohoo! Look, right, indeed. Now we have all peach puzzles with one side line. And now we need only 2 peach puzzles in the center. Yes, yes. And I see these peach puzzles. And I think so. This peach puzzle is not. Earth states. Ta-ram! Oh look! It is new friends. We are new friends, and his name is Bingo. And these our new friends is Bluey. Hello, friends.
Oh no, Tickle Crabs! I must have brought him back from the beach with me.
Oh, this is amazing. New friends is very, very beautiful and interesting. Ducks, Puppy. Oh, friends, thank you for your help, for your job. We did it. And please subscribe and like this video and see you soon. Bye.